Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am, as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, guys, as you know, we are right now in a bearish market, okay? And you can tell by the price of Bitcoin and how well Bitcoin is doing. So some of you may be worried about the current state of all the prices within the SHIB ecosystem. You're probably panicking, you're sad, whatever it is. But guys, at the end of the day, we need Bitcoin to actually go up as well, okay? For us to see some movements as well. So let's just see what is going on with Bitcoin and how is that going to relate to Shibarium, to the SHIB ecosystem, to everything that we have an interest in. So here's crucial factor to determine if Bitcoin hits $30,000 or falls to $23,000. Okay, so the Bitcoin price failed to hold on gains after reaching highs of $28,184 following Grayscale's victory of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The joy was short-lived as Bitcoin lost all of its gain after the SEC delayed its decision on all 7 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund applications. Bitcoin subsequently fell to a near 2 weeks low of $25,307 on September 1st. However, Bitcoin has slightly recovered $25,816 at press time. Lead crypto asset remains down about 1% daily. Now, Bitcoin's price action at September start has evoked questions on what might be the fate of the crypto assets in September, which has been deemed historically bearish. Bitcoin has had negative returns in September for the past 6 years, as previously reported. On-chain data analysis by crypto analyst Ali suggests that Bitcoin could risk a trip to near $23,000 due to lack of strong support below the 25,000. On the other hand, Into the Block highlighted the next milestone for Bitcoin as $30,000 as 6.2 million addresses acquired over 2.6 million Bitcoin towards $30,000. Okay, so there are two ways we can go. Guys, if it starts hitting pumping to 30,000, we're going to see our prices go up, okay? We're all following. If it goes down, we could see more dips, okay? So on-chain analytics from sentiment gives a key factor that might determine where Bitcoin trends next. Per sentiment, whale stablecoin supply has a strong likelihood of dictating where Bitcoin heads in the context at 30,000 to or 23,000, okay? So two ways to go. Per sentiment, whales are being particularly indecisive on stablecoin accumulation, currently analyzing big wallets to see the ratio of stable coins they own is a tried and tested method of predicting where crypto will go next. A rise in their buying power would signal a bounce. This aligns with on-chain data, which suggests that Bitcoin's last surge might have been buoyed by whales. According to the Into the Block data, address holding 0.1% of the Bitcoin supply, more have added over $1.5 million in Bitcoin holding in the last 2 weeks. However, as it stands, Bitcoin continues to oscillate inside the largest range between $24,800 and $31,000, sustain a break below $25,400 as stated above might lead to Bitcoin targeting the $23,000 mark. And then on the other hand, a break past the daily move averages of 50 and 100 at 27,000 and 28,000 respectively might reinforce a climb towards $30,000. So guys, it could go both ways. The technical analysis is very interesting. Obviously, it's not the end of Bitcoin. I know some of you think that every single dip is the end of something. That's absolute rubbish. It's just all momentum, guys. Right now we're dropping, then we go up. Also depends a lot on fundamental analysis, depends on, you know, things like interest rates, on just economic data that the US produces, and other superpowers could also be a strong, you know, influence effect on it. But I think overall, guys, we are just, you know, in a period where people can actually load up. A lot of the whales are actually going to be loading up at these you know, cheap prices, and trying to, you know, take advantage of it, milk it, absolutely get these bags heavy, because they know that the next bull run they can actually be cashing in big time. That's how the money is made. That's how it's always been made. Are we gonna hit 23,000? Could be a potential, okay? Could be potential according to this technical analysis. But remember, if we hit it, that means we can just load up even more, okay? Because we still haven't seen the full potential, for example, Bone. And Bone is the gas token for everything on Shibarium. Shibarium is increasing in wallets, in volume, in transactions, in just, you know, everything, the whole interest. So well, if that is cheap and we're loading up on it, eventually it's going to pump up. And wait till we see all the exchanges go in and more social media hype. That is what attracts the whole community. Okay, that's what, and that's how it's always worked. Okay, it's sad that we didn't manage to really, you know, see that massive spike on that first day of Shibarium, but it is what it is. You know, what happened, and we just have to move on. Now they've relaunched and it's even better. Will Bitcoin hit 30,000? Well, if it does hit 30,000, then everything's going up, so better for us, okay? That's going to create good bullish economic environment, because remember, Bitcoin is the godfather of all cryptos. How Bitcoin is doing, everyone's following, and I think, you know, Bitcoin is going to be getting ready for that next, you know, pump. But the biggest pump is definitely coming with the Bitcoin halving season, with that massive bull run that we're going to see next year. I hope, you know, 2024, that's where all our portfolios are going to be, you know, absolutely increasing in price and really going up and reaching levels that we couldn't have even imagined before, okay? So really exciting stuff. Absolutely loving it, and I believe that more is going to happen, more is coming our way, and we are, you know, in the generation, in the era of the most exciting stuff there is, okay? So very thankful with the way things are going. I'm also trying to, you know, get to a point where we can actually make you know, and create a community where more people are joining us, and you know, there's more interest. So me as an influencer, I'm trying to gather this whole community together, and that is going to spread the word, okay? People are going to be very interested in investing, in making the most, okay? Because I've got a lot of positive info here for all of you, and hopefully the word can spread. So let's see what Bitcoin does. Let's see how it affects. Let's see what the future holds. You know, this family is growing. This community is growing. So I think more people are going to be more interested in this. So yeah, I'm seeing the future as very positive. So as of now, let me know how you feel down below. Do you think there's going to be more money spent on crypto in the following years? Do you think we're going in for a bull run? You know, is it going to be carry on going bearish? Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn that notifications bell on, and guys, as usual, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.